Hey guys, Brian from Snowwalker Outdoors. So 15 years ago I did a video, and it was on an EDC kit that you could carry on a carabiner. It was built around the carabiner. The idea being that the carabiner could clip onto your belt, and you would have a couple of small items that'll help you along the way when you're out in the woods. You know, 15 years later we've evolved, and I actually wanted to show you something that's a little bit easier to carry, and with the advent of new things that have been created, I think it actually works out to be a little bit better, and it works out quite well. So let's jump in and take a look at what we have. So it's a little pocket organizer. Let's jump into this, show you what's in this kit. Again, it's a suggestion. Make your own kit, have fun at it. So let's take a look at it. So this is nothing more than a pocket organizer that I wound up sewing, and I just created it for this, for carrying multiple little objects that are going to help us on our day-to-day. This way it keeps everything together in one small kit versus having a lot of smaller items, you know, rolling around in our pockets. Don't confuse this with not being able to cross-load items. If you took this, you could put this simply in a cargo pocket, and then you'd cross-load other items into other pockets, or your jacket pocket or stash pockets or whatever. So what do we have? We have a standard Bic lighter. For the cutting tool, this is a Wenger Blades Aphid, I believe is what this is. As we move to the inside, so right off the bat you're going to see this whistle. Okay, that's nothing more than a Fox 40, but it takes a while to get to it, so just hang on. No any in particular. So we have a button compass, Kevlar cordage. The nice thing about Kevlar cordage is, as I doubled, or actually almost tripled, the amount of cordage that I could carry with this versus the, I don't know, 12 feet of paracord that I had on the Beaner kit. So there's about 30 feet on here. Fire starters, tinder quicks, flashlight. These are like 18 bucks now, and those Nova lights are about $23. So I'll just stick with this. It's a better flashlight. Here we have a Fresnel lens, and our aqua tabs. We have our signal mirror. We have our Fox 40 whistle. And that should be it. And lastly, we have our ferro rod. Okay, as you can see, it's a small little kit, but it does the job. It does what it's intended to do. Small little items like this can get lost in your pockets. It's good to have them all together, and that is exactly what you can do with this. The basis behind it is that you can take the whole thing, you can put it in your pocket, or you can clip it onto a belt, or you could even make it into, you know, put a lanyard on it, carry it around your neck if you needed to do that as well. Small kits like these teach you to be very selective, and they teach you about necessity and what's more important than something else. You know, some people call them last-ditch kits, some people call them EDC kits, well, you know, whatever you want to call it. I've just given this to you as a suggestion on what to carry. You can change it up, but make sure that when you do it, make sure it works for you. Don't worry about the other guy, and just go ahead and have fun while you're doing it. Make a bunch of different ones up, take them out while you're doing them, while you're training. That's enough out of you. You know, while you're training, and just have fun with it and learn from the experience. I'll post a link to the other kit that I did 15 years ago if you want to watch that. That's cool. Again, it's outdated, you know, and we come up with the times. So anyway, Brian from Snowwalker Outdoors. Thanks for your views and comments. We'll see you on the next one. Have fun.